Transfer the milk kefir grains to the glass jar. Add 300 ml to 1 liter of cold milk and stir well. Cover the jar mouth with cloth and fasten it with tight rubber band. Now it is ready for separation. Transfer the ready kefir to the strainer by placing a collecting vessel underneath. Swirl gently the spoon, rubbing the mesh, and help the kefir flow down the strainer. It may take a while if the milk is too creamy. Collect the grains within the strainer. Bottle the finished kefir milk, consume it or store in fridge.